What's up? My name is Brian. I just bought this house, and today we're going to be taking this Grasscloth wallpaper off the wall. I got this sprayer from Home Depot. It's 10 bucks. And what I did is it's 2 gallons, and I filled it up with 2/3 water, 1/3 vinegar. And all you need to do, this is a test, by the way, I'm just testing this out, but all I did was, see how the wallpaper is split into sections? Well, I took one of these sections, and you should be able to see that I soaked one of the sections. You can tell that's by its color, its darker color. So I'm waiting about 15 minutes, let the vinegar and water kind of disrupt the adhesive behind the wallpaper, and I'm going to peel it back and see what happens. And don't forget to cover your floors or your carpet, because the water will drip down and get on your carpet. So I'm just gonna grab this entire sheet, and it's not super clean, but I mean, it's not bad. And it's just coming right off. This is amazing. Scrape off all this residue with the scraper. And I think I'm gonna get it wet again so that it comes off easier. But this is working pretty good using this scraper, so I'm just gonna go through and clean it up as best I can before I prime it and paint it. So what you're seeing here is after I took down the final strip of Grasscloth and I re-soaked the residue, and I took that scraper and I scraped it all off till it looked nice and clean. I also took some sandpaper to it. I took a sand bar. I'll put the link in the description. And I roughed it up a little bit. And you can see here, that was my mistake. I used too harsh sandpaper and chipped away some paint on my wall. So you want to try to avoid that. I had to go get some spackle and fill in where the paint chips were, and then after that I was able to prime and paint. So this is me just putting on the final layer, and I'll do a quick before and after because I think it turned out pretty well.